hope they don't give me no horse teeth or no chicklet teeth. And my big ass. I was like, what happened to the nice little window? Oh, wrong one. Come on. Lower lobby. So we just got dressed, got in the shower, and got in the shower, get out of the shower and change clothes. We're hungry. Very hungry. Ken will be a little hangry in a minute. But we really just been going and going and going and going and going and going. And that's that. Anyway, so we're finna meet the driver downstairs. He is parked waiting on us. And we're gonna go to the dentist.
She gotta take out her earrings and all her jewelry, so that's what she's doing right now. And then she's gonna head back and get her x-rays for her mouth. You nervous?
This is last time. You gonna see these teeth?
We went in the wrong thing at first, but we're here now.
You said what?
I told them we went into the wrong building.
Yes. I can't get this off.
I'm gonna go get her teeth done. Look at you. You can go. Ching.
Let's hope that means right.
Bye. Are you leaving?
No.
Oh, filling out paperwork. She got to fill out paperwork, I think. And then the doctor's really nice, so the dentist is really nice. He speak English. You know, not too good, but he speaks it. You can understand what he's saying. I just got choked up. But it's a really nice dentist office.
Wow. I hope they don't give me no horse teeth or no chicklet teeth.
No, get your size.
This the last time I'm gonna have this smile. I've been having this smile for 30-something years.
Okay, you still gonna be looking good.
Yeah. I'm supposed to be getting ready to get my body done, but no.
You will. We'll come back. I'll go to Miami once.
Okay.
What's your preference? Let me learn you. Come teach me a lesson. What's your preference? If you ask me, the fact we here is...
Y'all, I'm getting ready for my teeth. I wish Kim was in here. Well, she can't be in here. So I'm gonna get my cleaning first. And then I'm getting my root canal. And then my veneers. I'll check y'all in a minute.
Destined. Hey, what's your preference? Yeah, sweet lady, no pressure. Hey, what's your preference? Hey, what's your preference? Hey.
¿Tiene tu cargador, Rosario?
He getting my teeth ready. That is so weird. No, I don't have my thing anymore. He shaved my teeth down, like minimum. I can tell. You know how my tooth is kind of going this way? It ain't sticking out as much. Why are you looking at me like it? This is so weird. Look at my mouth.
Where'd you go to high school? Should've went to flight school.
My mouth is so. Yeah, you alright? You alright? Oh, shit. Oh. We finally back at the room. I should tell him to take me to the grocery store. Get some, what's it called? Oh, Lord, I need to take some medicine. The anesthesia went off. So, it is kind of chilly. It feel like home, though. Look, we did exactly what I said don't do, didn't we? Put these damn clothes all over the place. Yeah, look. Look at that crap. We're back at the room, y'all. This is the first time. I don't know, Ken. I might need to keep that cover over my mouth because that air is kind of irritating me a little bit. So, I got my teeth cleaned. I did, huh? I got my teeth clean. My mouth hurt.
Digging clean.
Can't look at it. Wanna see? Okay, y'all. Like I said, we finna rest because we have not rested since we came here since we left Houston.
Yeah.
We ain't, and Ken was working 1,000 hours before she even left. So we're about to eat. I'm about to take some meds before my anesthesia and numbing stuff goes off. My head hurting a little bit. So today he cleaned my teeth and then he what he do? He cleaned it, then he did the root canal. So after drilling and doing the root canal, he had to mold my, I know you ain't getting in bed with them clothes on. Mold my teeth so he can make the pieces that is supposed to be cemented to my gums and my other teeth. And then I'm going to get my veneers done the same day. So tomorrow I'm going for my O shot, guys. Hopefully I can record it. I think Ken can be in the room, so I'm going to let her record it. I mean, not my poom poom, but you know, like the process. So y'all can see what's going on and see what y'all get into when you get this O shot. So that's it. That's all. If I feel better when I get up, then I will check in with y'all later. We just got a knock on the door. And Ken got a cupcake because I can't eat it. And it says something about their anniversary. Ain't that cute? I'll let Ken tell y'all how it tastes when she eat it.